Hello, welcome to another of my videos where I work through and explain A-level physics multi-choice questions. If you want to try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer D, very well done. If you'd like to hear my explanation of how I found the answer, please continue watching. So an ideal gas is contained in a cubical box of side length A. The gas has n molecules, each of mass m. What is the pressure exerted by the gas on the walls of the box? Well, we've got this cube, this box, and each side is A. So the equation we're given for that relates pressure multiplied by volume to the number of particles and the mass of each particle and the root mean square speed of the particles is this one here. And we want to find what is the pressure. So I'm going to rearrange this equation to make pressure the subject. And we get a third, the number of particles, multiplied by the number of particles, multiplied by the mass of each particle, over the volume of the container, multiplied by the root mean square speed of the particles. Well, if we have a look at the answers here, none of them have V for volume in their answer, but they all have A in their answers. Well, the volume of this box is very simply A cubed. So I can exchange A cubed for V in this equation, and I get a third multiplied by the number of particles, the mass of each particle, over A cubed multiplied by the root mean squared speed. The answer is D. I hope you found this explanation useful. If you did, please press the like button, make any comments you want in the below, and I hope you'll share and watch more videos in the series.